Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete people on Houseparty app. So this will be showing you two different ways of deleting people. So one's going to be unfriending someone, and another way is going to be like blocking them so they can't join your house party. So for this, first of all, it's going to be someone that's potentially either on your friends list or you know their name. So for this, what you're going to want to do is make sure you have this menu up here. You can just click on the little hand icon there to bring this up. And if it's the person on your friends list, all you'll need to do is just go ahead and click on their name. So I'm going to click the one at the bottom there. And then you want to click the little cog icon next to their names. Go ahead and click that. Then you will want to go ahead and click unfriend there. And then you just want to click unfriend again, like that. Then they'll be removed from your friends list, as you can see there. Then if you want to like block someone, you just know their name, they're not on your friends list, you can type in their name, click on it, then you want to click on that cog again. Then you can go ahead and block the person so they can't join your call. So hopefully that covers everything. Leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen, some more how-to videos on the Houseparty app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.